The words income tax written really scares me the most because I am bad at maths and calculation is something I'm really scared of. I should consider my HRA, my LTA, my professional tax. Oh god, I forgot to include the interest I've paid on my home loan. I so wish there was a calculator where I enter my basic details and I get the taxable income and the taxes I need to pay for that particular year. Can someone help me? Is there such a calculator which will compute the taxes I need to pay using my basic information? Well, the answer is yes. The ClearTax Income Tax Calculator is here for your rescue. Hi everyone, I'm Bhavna from ClearTax. In today's video, let's see how our income tax calculator makes your life easy. Paying tax is inevitable, be it an individual or a business. Income tax is levied on the income earned after considering few deductions. With too many tax exemptions and deductions, calculating tax can be complicated. Not enough, the Union Budget 2020 has left individuals confused with the choice of the tax regime. Both old and the new tax regimes require a proper assessment before choosing one. The ClearTax Income Tax Calculator is an easy-to-use online tool which will help you in calculating the taxes you are liable to pay under both the old and the new tax regimes. A calculator will help you understand the impact of both the tax structures on your income. The calculator will use basic information such as annual salary, rent paid, tuition fees, interest on child's education loan, and any other savings for calculating your tax liability. You can calculate your taxes with accuracy since the income tax calculator is updated on a timely basis according to the latest income tax rules and regulations. So, you might ask me, what are the benefits of using the ClearTax Income Tax Calculator? Let's look at the benefits one by one. Number one. The Ministry of Finance, in its Union Budget 2020, has given a new tax regime along with the existing one. It's up to the taxpayers to choose which tax regime they want to follow. Since it cannot be said that one regime is better than another for all individuals, it is advisable to evaluate both the regimes and then select the one with least tax outflow. As our tax calculator gives the total tax payable under both the old and new tax regimes, you can easily assess the tax regime that suits you the best. Number two, since it is convenient to use, it can be used by anyone to calculate their tax liability. You use the calculator multiple times at free of cost. Number three, calculating one's taxes can be very tiring, and with the introduction of the new tax regime, it has only become more complicated. Since the calculator helps in the calculation of taxes under both the regimes, in a matter of seconds, a lot of time is saved. Number 4. Since it is an online tool which is automated, there is no room for errors and accurate results are computed within seconds. So, without waiting any further, let's look at the steps you need to follow for using the ClearTax Income Tax Calculator. On the tab, Basic Details, select the applicable options. Once you have selected the financial year for which you want your taxes to be calculated as well as your age, click on Go to Next Step. On the tab Income Details, enter your gross salary details before deductions in the Income from Salary box. Enter the aggregate amount of deductions and exemptions such as HRA, LTA, standard deduction, etc. in the exemptions and deductions from salary box. Along with taxable salary, you must also enter other details such as interest income earned during the year, rental income, interest paid on home loan for a rented property, and interest paid on loan for a self-occupied property. Please hover your cursor on the eye icon beside every tab to get clarity on details which needs to be inputted. Once you have input all the necessary details, click on Go to Next Step. On the tab Deductions, enter details concerning your tax saving investment done under Section 80C,
80D, 80G, 80E and 80TTA.
Once you have input all the necessary details, click on Calculate. You will now be able to see a comparison between your pre-budget and post-budget tax liability, that is the old tax slabs and the new tax slabs. You will also be able to see a ClearTax suggestion on the top section of the page, which will recommend you the tax regime which will be more beneficial to you and what will be the benefit amount. Select the regime that has less tax outflow compared to the other and file your ITR. Please note, whichever field is not applicable, you can enter 0. You can even get your tax computation on your mail. Don't you think this calculator will simplify your income tax calculation to a large extent? Well, I think it's time to bid a goodbye to all those lengthy and time-consuming calculations. I think you should use this calculator and see it for yourself. We have a detailed page on our income tax calculator. You can refer to this page for more information. The link to this page is mentioned in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please do share, like and comment, and do subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications every now and then we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.